Who is ready for the Twinkle sandwich? Miss Allison here again, and we are gonna play by the end of today's lesson. We're also gonna play plus 4 other variations. Are you ready for it? Okay, let's get started. Okay, for the Twinkle sandwich, we have to do all of these notes, but guess what? Today, we're only gonna focus on the bread part. So the bread, let's sing it together. C, G, A, G, F, E, D, C. Well, that sounds silly. We have to make sure that every single rhythm is played for every single one of these notes. So now let's try singing the notes in the rhythm of ukulele hot dog. So it'll sound like this. C, 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 just like ukulele hot dog. C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 G, 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 G. Now let's play it. Okay, here we go. Open C, get your ukulele position ready. Put your third finger down, ready to go. Thumb in the back of the neck, curly fingers, thumb on top. Open C, then G, then A, then G. Then we go down the monkey ladder, open C, ready, play. Now third finger G. Now open A. Now G. First finger F. Now E. Second finger D. Now C. Very good. Now let's try it. Ice cream cone. Okay, here we go. Time for ice cream cone. Ice cream cone, ice cream cone, ice cream cone, ice cream cone. Now down the letter, ice cream cone, ice cream cone, ice cream cone, ice cream cone. Now let's sing the notes. Here we go. C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, C, C. I wonder if you can play down pony, up pony without the notes in front of you. Let's try it. Let's think about what the notes are. Should we sing it one time? C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 G, 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 G. Now down the ladder, F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 C. Let's try playing it. Here we go. C first. Get your positions ready. Here we go. C, 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 G. A now, down, pony, up, pony, G again. Now F. Now E. Now second finger D. Now C. Did you do it? Great job. Time for strawberry blueberry. Let's sing it together. C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 C. Now let's sing. Strawberry, blueberry, 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 strawberry, blueberry. Now let's play it. Here we go. Time for strawberry, blueberry. Ukulele position. I like to pull up my sleeve so I can get a good grip on my forearm here. Thumb in the back, thumb on top, candy cane fingers, skiing arm, almost open C. Here we play. Strawberry, blueberry, strawberry, blueberry. Open A. Now back to third finger C. First finger F. Strawberry, blueberry. Open E. Second finger D. C, 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 C. High five. We've got 2 more left. Do you think you can do this last rhythm without any help from the notes? If you need the book, you can look, but you don't. I think you got it in your head. C, G, A, G, F, E, D, C. Backwards flower song, then monkey song going down the letter. Let's try it. Get your third finger ready. Thumb in the back of the neck. Nice skiing arm. Thumb on top. Open C. Here we go. Oop, we're doing Mississippi is a river. Let's try it. Mississippi is a river. Open C. Ready, play. Mississippi is a river. Mississippi is a river. Now G. F. E. Second finger D. Now C. Awesome job. We've got 1 more left. Okay, for this last spread in this last variation, this is actually called the theme. We are going to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. But guess what? We've got to do a different rhythm for every single note here. We're going to do 2 C's, 2 G's, 2 A's, and 1 long G at the end. It'll sound like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now let's sing the notes. C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Now let's play. Are you ready? Get your positions ready. Thumb on the back of the net, thumb on top. Nice strong forearm. Ukulele fingers ready. Third finger planted and ready to go for that G. Open C. Here we go. Twinkle. Now G. Twinkle. Now open A. Little. Now 1 long star. G. Star. Now let's go down the letter F. How I open E. Wonder. Second finger D. What you. Now open C. R. 1 long R. Let's try it 1 more time. C. Ready. Here you go. Twinkle. G now. Twinkle. Open A. Little. Back to G. Star. First finger F. How I open E. Wonder. Second finger D. What you. Now open C. R. Rest position. Take a bow. Great job practicing today. Excellent job. You made it through the whole video. Give yourself a pat on the back. I can't wait to see you next time for even more Twinkle Sandwich. Bye.